Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Peruvian Amazon tribe, Mashco Piro. Recently, Survival International, an indigenous rights NGO, has released rare photographs of the Mashco Piro tribe. The photographs depict dozens of tribe members on the banks of Las Piedras River, where logging companies have been granted concessions. Mashco Piro is the world's largest indigenous community living without outside contact. With a population of around 750, the tribe resides in the Amazon jungles of the Madre de Dios region in Peru. These nomadic hunter-gatherers are highly reclusive, seldom interacting with outsiders except occasionally with the native Yain people. Peru's government has forbidden all contact with the Mashco Piro to prevent the spread of diseases to which they have no immunity. In 2002, the Peru government created the Madre de Dios Territorial Reserve to protect Mashco Piro territory, but much of their land lies outside this reserve. Large areas of their traditional land have since been sold off as logging concessions, giving companies the right to fell the evergreen forest for timber and other produce. This is not the first time the Mashco Piro territory has been invaded. During Peru's rubber boom in the 1880s, they were forcibly displaced from their land, enslaved, and killed. As logging companies encroach on their territory, the Mashco Piro have nowhere left to go, resulting in increased sightings as they seek food and escape from outsiders. Now it's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, the Mashco Piro tribe belongs to which country? Brazil, Colombia, Peru, or Ecuador? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.